Five, six, seven, eight.
This dances K is for Kicks, choreographed by Christopher Gonzalez. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, touch right heel forward, step together, touch left heel forward, step together, touch right heel forward, touch together, forward, step together. Section 2, touch left heel forward, step together, touch right heel forward, step together, touch left heel forward, touch together, forward, step together. Section 3, K-step, diagonally forward touch, diagonally back touch, diagonally back touch, diagonally forward, scuff right, and make a quarter turn left to face 9 o'clock. Last section, step right to side, shimmy, touch and hold, step left to side, shimmy, touch and hold. I'm facing 9 o'clock, weights on my left, and I start over with the heel touches. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that's the whole dance.